How to change Discord password if you have forgotten. First of all, head over to your application Discord. So right here, if you try to log into your account but you don't remember your password, then what you can do is tap on forgot your password. You have to solve one puzzle right here. Once it is done, tap on verify. It will send you one confirmation code on your phone number. You need to copy that code and paste it here. Once you have entered the confirmation code, it will land you on the page where you'll get to change your password. So create a new password for your Discord account. Once you are done, tap on change password. So there you go, your password of Discord account has been successfully changed and recovered. Now simply tap on continue to Discord. Tap on back to login. Once again, tap on login. Now you can just log into your account by entering a new password and you'll be good to go. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to change Discord password if you have forgotten. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.